called me and say to me, I'm in Philadelphia and I have maybe 10 Oriental rug, all of them Persian rug, handmade, vegetable dye. Do you guarantee in writing when I receive the rug is not going to be any color run? I want to be sure that you have experience to clean Oriental rug, maroon or light beige with a blue navy color, and you have the experience and the skill to clean the Oriental rug, remove the urine odor, and guarantee the color will never run. My invention is the XpetPee machine. I built it from scratch. And it's designed to clean a fine Oriental rug, high quality rug, that it is saturated with the urine odor. Take a look how the vacuum is working. The high quality wool dyed with a vegetable dye to bring shine and beautiful color for many, many years to come. This is the power of vegetable dye. When they finish dyeing the wool or the silk, the factory take the wool and put it in a strong vinegar. The vinegar will close the hole in the wool and protect it from losing the color. What happened today? It's very sad. Nobody pay attention to those rug that's made from vegetable dye. So the cleaning product that's sold in the market contain enzyme deodorize and soap, alkaline. Alkaline will make the color run. Alkaline will wash the color out of the wool, out of the fiber. For this reason, the color will run. Because we at PetPeePee never use all this crap that is sold in the market, such as enzyme deodorizer, scrubber, centrifuge machine, steam cleaning, dry cleaning. No, we are in the old-fashioned way. We're using vinegar and my secret cleaner from the Dead Sea. This cleaning product from the Dead Sea will kill the bacteria in a mysterious way and guarantee in writing the color will never run. Of course, when we finish cleaning the rug will be dry on the floor to prevent any risk of color run. PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense.